Alright, so to program NFC using iPhone, you need to download the app from App Store called NFC TagWriter by NXP. So when you open the app, okay, this is the homepage. You press New. This is basically creating a new record. You have lots of options here, but we prefer to use a link option. In the link option, there's this URL type. It says custom URL. You can pre-select the HTTP, like how you want the URL to start with. But we prefer you use HTTPS : / or www. The reason for that, it's just the security. Otherwise, I think this will give you, or like anyone who's tapping, an error or like a warning, I guess. I'm gonna go to custom URL because I have URL that's on my clipboard. I'm just gonna paste it. So it says https : / bigdogspromo.com. There is a description tab here, but we don't write anything here because if you put anything in the description, for some reason the NFC doesn't work for iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead, press done, save and write again, and when I tap on this, so it's successfully programmed. I'm gonna go to home page. When I tap, and it should work.